can get with this, or you can get with that. You can get with this, or you can get with that. You can get with this, or you can get with that. You should get with this, cause this is where it's at. You can get with this, or you can get with that. You can get with this, or you can get with that.
Hi everybody. How can you tell if your dog is having any anal gland problems? So certainly the number one sign is scooting. So if you see your dog excessively scooting, it might be a reason to bring him in and check those anal glands. If you see them trying to lick or excessively lick the anal area, even if they're not reaching out there, or if you notice any swelling or any blood or discharge coming, it might be that we have an abscess or a ruptured anal gland. This is Rocky, and Rocky is from the Low Rider Rescue group, and we thank them for everything that they do and for letting us use Rocky as our model today. So you don't necessarily have to express the anal glands in your dog. Most of the times they will do it themselves, and the diet and everything, when they're pooping normally they express. Unless you see the signs that we talked about before, it's when you may need to start considering bringing him in for expressing his anal glands. If you need to check to see if the anal glands are a problem, you can lift the tail of the dog, and the anal glands live around the 5 o'clock and 7 o'clock of the anus. So you can feel with your fingers right around here and see if there's any large swellings. You can do the external technique of expression by applying a little bit of pressure and outwards this way. Make sure that you use a piece of paper to cover it so that the discharge doesn't come into your hands or into your body. Here in the clinic, we will use the internal expression, which will be rectally and expressing the anal glands on the side. So your dog is going to normally have normal bowel movements with his diet. If they are having soft stools, or if they are not solid form routinely, that can lead to anal gland problems. So using maybe a fiber supplement or an anal gland supplement that we have here in the office, Glands, for example, or sometimes even changing the diet may help with expression of the